shit. Alright.
Oh, this shit is crazy. Hey, yo.
Oh, shit. Hey, yo, y'all see this motherfucking rain and shit? Hey, yo. And we are stuck at the motherfucking park and shit.
Hey, yo. Yo. Damn, that's a traffic jack, nigga. Oh.
Hey, yo, it's raining like a motherfucker.
Hey, yo.
God, the girl that you and Ryan got around?
Yeah.
You know, we just trapping it out and shit. Homicide. Lee, you know.
Stop calling me that, nigga.
What, man?
Shit. That's just too fucking hot, nigga.
How? How is it too hot? Homicide.
Heard what I said, nigga. Get that camera off.
What?
Get that camera off.
Yeah, alright. Anyway, though, we smooth out here, though. Well, nah, we ain't smooth, cuz. As y'all can see. Damn.
Oh, shit.
Nah, I'm about to turn this shit off. That shit getting rain and shit on it.
Hey, what if all the rain just stopped and sun?